Okay, so you discovered your electric fan isn't working, and here's an easy way to get it out of here. What you have here is a connector. You're going to take this loose, pop it out of there, and I've already pulled it loose, so I'm just going to slip it apart and show you here. Hopefully that's on it. Okay, so this connector's apart. You've got two bolts, one right here, as you can see, and one on the other side. You're going to take those out. Set this up so you can see what's going on. So now, you're going to lift this up, set it back out of the way. Now under here, there's two tabs. Right here, you can see that tab. You're going to want to depress both sides, pull up a little bit. Other side. Now your fan lifts right on up out of there. That's a simple job that you should be able to do yourself without paying the shop $85 an hour or $125 an hour to do this. Once you get the new fan, you drop it right back down in there. Watch your lines over here to make sure you're now in your general area. I'm going to look at those tabs. Sure there's one on the top. Locked in there, you can feel it. I'll pull the shroud back out. It actually locks into the semi-lock. There we go. That's back on. Now there's a bottom piece on the shroud that comes off. It's easily slipped on as well. And then I've got a piece that lies up here that I've already pre-taken off. So all you gotta do is put your bolts back in and your new fan's in. As you can see, everything's in place, and all I got to do is zip it back out.